guys.
My dear, send me someone you know.
Which one? Okay, which one do you want? Tanzania. Okay, because you speak Swahili, right? You speak Swahili, you can date a Tanzanian.
I speak Swahili, I speak my little Kinyarwanda, I speak Luganda, I speak English.
So you can date a Kenyan easily.
I can date anyone, even if they don't talk my language, like even if they don't speak my language, I will date them.
French, even someone speaking French, period.
I don't care, as long as we connect.
How are you going to connect with someone you don't understand? Me, I cannot even date you.
As long as you have a good you good.
My friend, that's the problem you girls have. You think it's all about dick.
No. Now tell me. Okay, fine. I'm going to be there with you. Love you. Bisexually, you know, satisfying me. You're going to make me tempted to cheat. So
no, it's not like but what's the satisfaction? What's sex satisfaction, my friend? You overrate it.
No, we don't overdo stuff. Like we want someone who is good, you know. You're mature mentally, physically, you look good.
Sarah Queen in Joab. Sarah Queen in Joab. It's you who can even say it better. You know Sarah Queen. You know Sarah Queen. Sarah Queen and Joab, you guys overrated these things.
No,
look,
we don't. The thing is,
I can come. Listen, I can come.
What kind of woman do you want? What kind of woman do you want?
I don't want a woman with a big pussy. I don't want a woman with small pussy. I want a woman who's a woman.
You see, so you're describing the type of person you want.
No, I'm not.
Why is it wrong for a woman to describe a type of person they want?
Give me 2 minutes and enjoy. Hey. Listen,
I want to have a man that I'm not going to be tempted to cheat. I'm not going to be.
What are you thinking about cheating? It's not all about cheating.
No, I'm not. That's why I'm saying, like, I don't want a man that is going to make me be tempted somehow, you know? I want a man. It doesn't matter how big your dick is, no. The thing is, are you able to satisfy me? And I also want you to come to me and you are able, like, you have to know, like, this is who you want. So whereby you're not going to be tempted in any way, you know?
I know.
We're on the same page, but at the end of the day, when you look at me, you look at a woman you love. And when I look at you, I look at a man that I love. That's it.
Okay. So
it's not sexual, like really, really sexual, but then that sex part comes in because, my dear,
so six pack is omukalu. Six pack. Six packs is important for a woman too.
It depends on a woman. What do you
want? You want a man with six pack or no?
My dear, I don't care. Because 6 packs to Sawara Zikora.
You want a guy with a big stomach?
I want a guy with a big dick, my dear. Leave me alone.
But do you know that sometimes big dicks don't erect good? I swear, like, you will get a big dick which is like this. Like bro, like it's big, but like when it's always like Gamba Ajat still follows me.
Yeah.
Your mom still follows me, but your mom does not. Your mom does not understand this English very well, the English of dicks and whatnot.
I mean, who did that? Yeah, she can hear
Gamba Ajat ye umuze.
Mani ka baby ke kalalu.
Ngumba. Banomi. So you're not anyway. If you want those type of guys, the dick guys and whatnot, go to Ghana, Nigeria. You know, if you go to Senegal, they even give you.
Let me ask you, like really, Mwemulo was there like countries, like people from here or where? My dear, have you ever got a Ghana man or a Nigerian man who doesn't have what you're looking for? Manimo Uganda, Toria, or West Africa. Men are all the same. Men, if you get a good one, you get a good one. If you don't get a good one, yeah, it's not about countries. It's tewali we bikwataganira na nsimbo smaya onavuderi wasanza omuganda ng'Achina.
But most of Ugandas, you know, they always have small dicks. Most of Ugandas, they are choli. Not Ugandans, Baganda.
Yeah,
when you go to a
Uganda, Central, my dear Baganda,
how many Bagandas have you fucked?
Really?
What do you mean, really?
Oh, you're going to ask me that?
Stop kutubuzabuza.
Nedda, no, nze kyensobola okwogera nti a country or a color of someone, it don't matter. The thing is, who you get is
Kwamugisha Mori no kamburaho. I've been looking for you everywhere. Kongo kabura. You can text me, or you got married. Olwe chana chinalinkwa ne chinyankole ekikigawo nga kirungi neba naye chana chance lusa kiri wano kiri mukunda komeza twumve.
naye Chantal ndeka
Komugisha Mori ni okachinkora.
mwejje mwembeera z'okutandika mbu simanyanga aba West Africa simanyanga biki
Nema
sinziira gw'ofunye ofuna omuganda ng'abikukolera bulungi
Baganda
Kataranda nga kabikolera nofuna akatanzania nga kabikola. It's not about where you're from.
Rwandese from Nyagatare, yes, they can do the work. But these Rwandese Musmanya was Sijuengo from Jikondo, but these Rwandese Musmanya was from Chimisaga, those ones don't have power.
Why do you have to say that?
And you're from Jikondo, you. You're from Nyamirambo, you're from Nyamijos. Yeah. But when was the last time you were there? Like 17 years ago. 17 years ago. Daye Rwanda abana oli ku baana abanyarwanda.
Ngandi dad. Ndida abanyarwanda.
Ariko hari akana k'akanyarwanda batakakumiriye nabi. Tebakoza bakusakata naye abanyarwanda bekoza. Mboga Chantal reka tuteke ko Chantal try ibyo kinaga. Ikicyasohora kujya.
That's one thing with Rwandese, like you know when you grew up in Uganda, it's like
Chantal kora request go to Chantal.
Rwandese are so cute and beautiful and pretty. So when you date a Rwandese in Uganda, it's another different situation because they feel like, ooh, they're so cute. And
but you don't want cute guys.
me, I don't like. Truthfully, I don't mind. I don't mind about
Someone is saying Dumba umwana wa mumpai.
Bebe, jangu.
What do you, if Mugambe, what tell the guy what he should have?
As long as you have a big dick.
Erika Eriki Kaveruka yahoo.com. Gwe Eriki Kaveruka.yahoo.com. Oyo wa yahoo.com. You.com. Do you have a big dick? Or your .com is .com. .com. Are you going to come with a dot? No, this guy in his name even has a dot. This guy must have a dot.
Actually, it doesn't matter you have a big dick or small or what. As long as you know what you're doing, I'm not going to teach you. But if you're coming for me, I know I look innocent, right? Do I? I look innocent.
Okay, you're scaring.
No.
You're scaring. Toka kule.
I don't mind, Wama. I don't mind.
Hey, okay. Tell us. You look calm, but
I'm freaking.
What did you be? Oh, freaky, uncle. Ngairuku basijui nini but I'm freaky.
Like I look innocent, my dear. Look at me.
What makes you say you look innocent?
As people be telling me that I look innocent even at the job. They say I look innocent. I'm quiet. I just like my space.
But listen, do you have nyash? These are the questions they always ask me.
I don't have nyash, my dear. If you're coming for me, I don't have nyash.
I didn't know it wejira ko ina kamala. No, okay, let's see if you have. Listen to the guy asking. Someone is asking. Go innocent with a nose piercing.
Ochari could nose piercing. Have you looked at me?
The hair.
Good.
You have.
But
this girl is beautiful. Look, she's unnatural everywhere, and she still looks beautiful. I like this girl is beautiful. You people come. This girl is beautiful. I don't know why you don't even have the confidence. But you have the confidence, and she's
I don't have nyash, I don't have hips, I don't have nothing.
Let's see what you have and see if we can go with it. Let's see the kanyash you have. Me, I don't want when someone like is not confident yet I trust them.
Sirina, I don't bawalai bajirita bati.
Bawalai akabaho in English.
Bisako pass emabega tewali waka.
Okay. Otukatolinga
nabagambye waka wange wa Google.
Limu tusikiriza baako ngadda kwenye side ye kamera bwati fe tujja kwerabira. You just go decide.
Tizija kwagala okulaba. Alaba kabira kaako. Kawinde.
Totulaze bulungi. You haven't showed us very well. Very well. Very well. Why did Fraggy did that? You have the nyash. Me, I know you. Me, I know you. This girl is complete. What I would complete. Look at the dimple. Look at the eyes. Look at the nose. When I the mouth. The hair is unnatural. But you saying about the innocence.
Stand
I'm
up for what?
Show us very well.
Bano bagambe sirina kakabina tekuliba wala yini akabina n'omugongo toyali njawulo
Vanange chakechara chiro chinema, but Nema, you shouldn't go to work today. It's ED day.
It's not ED day today now. It's Friday. It is going to be tomorrow.
And then when is Friday?
Today is Friday.
And then it is when?
Saturday.
Hey, someone is saying, oh, Doma boy, I look nice too. I should be brushing. Even now, you can't put it. I'm also handsome. But I love me, I've grown. Me, I'm growing. I can feel it. Komgisha Maureen, I swear I can feel it. I dated. No, coming to Maureen, you lied to me when let me don't put Komgisha Maureen out. Let me shut up. I can say everything here.
Shut up.
Do you look like we look alike you?
Oh, you look like her. I know. Dumba looks like my brother, so I know we have some.
I know your mother likes me because I look like your brother, right?
Yeah.
That's what your mom likes me. Oh, and then your mom wants you to marry your brother. Someone that looks like your brother. Anti atira yira katale kange kati ate nakikolera ki? Vanai.
Oyagala bakazi bali abalungi abaddugavu kati Neema ndi awo nina kakala tekategerekeka siri mulungi siri mubi
No, but your color is the chocolate color.
You know, like your taste is the same thing with my brother. Like he likes
dark skin.
Yeah, he likes dark skin, pretty girls. You know. Right.
But me, when you're light skin, and you have same values as me.
Bavugamba teekako Chantal muteekeho Chantal.
Chantal ennaku zino lwepanka oba lwabaki teeka lwafuna omugagga.
Ali mukola.
Lwafuna omugagga. Nze mbamanyi agaba afuna omugagga.
Ali ku kazi, she can't come live.
Or she's scared of me because we are speaking English and Chantal doesn't speak English, so she's scared. She doesn't. And then Chantal used to be beautiful, but I think she got old too.
Actually, you don't have if you have friends who are girls, like I don't want to say girlfriends because if I say girlfriends, like but your friends that are girls,
they're all beautiful, no?
Yeah.
And I don't have any girlfriend that is ugly.
Only me.
It's you who consider yourself ugly. And me, I think you're the most beautiful out of all. Look at Chantal. Chantal is always making up, okay? Chantal is always, yes, Chantal is beautiful. Yes, I understand. But Chantal is always making up. Chantal is always...
But Chantal don't even do makeup. What are you talking about? Like...
And another thing, Chantal, she's my friend, but she's a bitch.
She's not a... What do you say when you say she's a bitch?
She sells pussy.
No.
You don't know?
No, she does.
Chantal, I'm in Dubai. She's working. What did she say? When I told her to come, what did she say? She said she's doing what?
Wait, okay, look.
Look here. She's
laughing.
You see, she said the DDumba got chased. She's laughing.
Let me tell you, me and Chantal, we like this. so I know what she does and what she doesn't do.
Chantal, last weekend she was in Dubai.
That's the problem. Like, you people, you just go with what you see, like
2
comments.
weeks ago, she was in Spain, Barcelona.
Okay, she will be in Spain, but that does not mean that she's selling pussy.
She wanted to come to Canada, but my money from the trees is done. I cannot host you, Chantal. I'm broke, Chantal. I cannot host you. I'm sorry.
No, but you know, like Chantal, like me and Chantal, we like this.
Who wants to? There is
Chantal is my muzukulu.
There is a girl here that wants to come, but she better be beautiful. Atunda ikigamba. Atunda. Waliwo omukazi atatunda nakoze.
Mwana tatunda, talina kyatunda.
Chantal omulete.
Don't trash my friend.
Chantal ne waba tatunda. Even if Chantal is not selling. Okay, let's say Chantal does not sell. Let's say Chantal does not sell. But if I bring 5,000 for Chantal, she's going to sell.
And who tells you that?
Even you're going to sell to me if I bring you 10,000.
For what? My dear, Chantal muzukulu wange mumuveko. Yeah.
Chantal.
And 5,000. What's 5,000? I can work for 5,000.
Okay, who wants this girl?
Are you talking about 5,000 millions or about $5,000?
5,000 million.
Hey,
hizo sente za. I'm saying $5,000. Actually, no,
like 1 to 35.
Chantal will eat. Okay, you go talk to Chantal. Is your friend, right?
She's my muzukulu.
And then lie to her. Talk to her like this. Lie to her like this. Go call her and say, Chantal, I have a man. This man is handsome. The guy has 6-pack. Say the way I'm telling you. Don't change. When you change, she's going to say no.
Togenda maso. Nkugambye Chantal muzukulu wange. How do you expect
we'll go like this? We'll go like this.
Like that?
We'll go like this.
I want. Don't start. Don't even finish. Chantal is my muzukulu. Olaba engeri gye nkufiirira ebintu bye. Entalo zo ne tuzirwana wamu nga tomanyi.
Mwale kunwanira ku ntalo.
Naye
Chantal also fights my wars too. Actually, Chantal is my general. Chantal is my general.
Jajja alwane omuzukulu ajja muyamba, of course.
Chantal always is on the front line of fighting for me. But if Chantal fighting for me doesn't mean she's not a bitch.
But why are you saying like a bitch? Every person is a bitch. You're a bitch ass nigga, ain't you?
Yeah, but I don't say no.
You don't say.
I don't deny. I am a bitch. I know.
Okay, but so
then Chantal should also say yes.
Like, what exactly are you trying to say? She is a bitch. She is a bitch. I'm a bitch.
Someone is saying you're bending in a good position, so you can keep as you can keep bending. So, keep bending.
I start looking at my bending.
You're bending in a good position. Nonyeza wakasitoma ate munani. Chantal asimi.
Chantal chesiru. Bamuzukulu wefuge.
Oh my Lord,
pick up your phone, please.
No, you didn't call me. You didn't call me. What did you call?
We've called you.
You and who?
We have called you so many times, like on WhatsApp. We call you. you don't pick up. Ever since you went to Rwanda, it was like, motherfucker, this nigga is ditching us. Like,
look. I'm going to give you my number. Maybe probably you're calling a different number. You're calling the number that I'm
the
not
number
taking.
that you gave me.
May I give out numbers every month? Ihajye honde ndakurira nkakwibwira Kidima Music ono Kidima Music afite ikintu abwira abaturage inzejagaraga asoro kukwana I can't find someone that can come here confidently and start talking to you to come take you ndashaka umuhungu ndashaka umuhungu ajo tobade oba kutwalira ogenda kugenda obajje kwa majogalete tugalie tachimanyi nawe itachimanyi munonze nawe hiyo mimi na wewe milele kwa milele
milele mpaka mwisho
yeah man tewali nawe kibasubula kukolanga wendi nabyuke bana ne bano bafaranga bagala kulaba bo bayimukira no balaga kafiga no dawo oba wazala omwana omulala tekimanyi
moni yachi kiuno sina mahips sina
kinoka kiuno unacho mina
moni yache boy
unacho kula
si dimples too. I think if I didn't have these dimples, I would be so ugly.
Kati, what makes you think? By the way, me, I like your hair. I like your style.
I'm going to grow my hair again. What's my?
And then you start putting them with
No, I'm gonna grow my hair again, like naturally. No one puts anything.
But me, I like that.
You know I'm natural, right? You know me.
Now I'm going to grow my hair again. Don't laugh. Sekachi. Ala kuona oneka musiro gwembo ngo kumanyoko. Why are you laughing? Let me grow my hair in peace. Who wants to better this girl? What happened to all these people? There's so many people, but they can't come on. Want someone to kujja kukwane before I go.
The movie. I'm ugly.
Dumba sister baras. Is this Dumba sister mubaras?
I know.
No, she's supposed to be my wife.
We are sisters somewhere, somehow.
Tomanyira tonesi bako. Unyonyera ngona nyimira. Ate ne mano ndabika ngenda kujeyo.
Wendi mpanema baby jangu ansime.
Let me go shower, I'm coming. Name I'm about to come, so ugumu chirunga. Uziche ijama kuronga urabyumva icyo bimenyesha kuronga. Kuronga ntabwo icyo bimenyesha. Kuronga, you say before you cook the rice or the bean.
Like koza ukaminina and then you wash again.
Iyo bakubwiye ngo genda uronge biriya birayi uragenda ukabifata ukabishira mu mazi menshi ugahita ubironga ukabyoza before mutarari hata. So ubu rero nanjye ngiye kuza aho ngaho uri ukironge. Chironge shu.
Okay.
Chironge.
Okay.
Chironge, I'm about to come. Chironge, walai. I'm coming. Where do you live? Where do you live? Let me see from here to where you live. How many hours is it? Hey, tell them where you are. I'm here, share, my friend. Sigenda kuida kuchiateka tina kumalawo.
Ate chitagwerera.
I tell you, Chitagwe, I'm not going to eat you and finish you.
My name, Beta Mo USC.
No, I want to know. Okay, tell me the city that is closer to you. Don't say your city. Okay, you can even say your city. They know your address.
I live in USA, Connecticut. So the state is Connecticut, and I live in Hartford City. That's it.
Which is the next big city next to you?
In between New York and Massachusetts.
New York and Boston. You're just here. I swear it can take me 8 hours to come to where you are.
The US, yeah. I like if you're in US, then you 1, 2, 3.
Because from here to Boston is 8 hours. From here to New York is 3 hours. So if you're in the Boston, hey, what we trying to Boston? Chisobolo okujja ne chikulya.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, so you want someone to come from here
Friday. Let me
tell you that those are the things of you people and making it long. Nobody's going to eat you. When was the last time you had sex? You might find you had sex 2 years ago.
What did you ask me?
When was the last time I had you had sex? Well, I'm going to fear you. I'm going to fear you. Don't tell me 1 month ago. Well, I'm going to fear you.
No, 1 month. I had sex last week.
And you've been single. You've been single for 3 years.
Yeah.
And you've been single for, when was the last time you dated? You dated a guy from Senegal and it didn't work out.
Why you putting my business? Why you putting my business
out? Sorry. Because the last time you dated, it was then.
I say you're putting my business out. You want me to start putting your business out?
I say it. What am I going to do? Am I going to?
Anyways, you even put your business out.
When you put my business out, and I'm going to die. I'm going to breathe.
Stop.
I will still
no,
breathe.
We are in Ramadan, so this month, no, I haven't had sex. Sexual. No, I'm being real. So I've had sex like last month because this is Ramadan. So
ani yakuli oyo muzira
mani kana kandya nyumirwa
ate gwe kinye mulabiko ogaba gafura gwe omalaga gaba
ngaba gafura
ogaba gafura gwe
no.
What is that for?
No. Last time we talked, what did I tell you?
But you don't give.
Okay. So if I give, I give for good reason.
How much money? Mpaka sente.
Nkwako sente.
Hey. What is the good reason now?
Auntie, good reason. Ate mama gwe bakubira tokwata oyagala ki. Bene mu buliri.
Mukyana kinema kikyo. Situkiremu katono obenga ayimirira just. Situkiremu katono naawe tu. Kashoti
eno budi kati wansi kashoti.
Underwear oba short?
Omanyi buli bushoti bwa lasika.
No, kasiteba nga si underwear. Short, okay, stand up. it's a short stand up naito tumanyira ne bwomanyira embu simbu what
akabina sirina kati ngenda yemukanda gati
no there is yeah no there is you saw the kasimonya naito again just katono na
yeah bana
stand up
actually do
kanyashka
life yo walai mazima
todda gotulage tokomawo
yakati mbiteke
teeka
ngate bidabika
bijja kulabika why not there tulabe nyashi
eriwa bana
zamurako kabolo ako kana zamura hejuru ekakutubeje
ushaka jona wanesemana
zamura hejuru kateke waguru okasiye mu kiwasi
kitamugendo laba sina kabina
tani that's a good nyashi that's a potable nyashi tani tuleri
no nyamusajja ntonoleno
okay it's enough
Sirina I don't have anything please.
No, that's enough it's not very big but it's portable and small the good size that's what white people want
Tumba sigena kuddamu kukubira like sijja kuddamu kukwata ng'oli live
look at people are saying this size is sweet look at them
bana thank you
chachana nineza we
I put myself so down so guys if you like my body thank you at least something
nakugamba me I tell you every day I tell you don't hear I tell you never you're the perfect you talk about simanyengo Chantal na tabgira batura Julia Mukaritas nozongera no kumuza ya hano ndi wowe muntu jewe nzivuga atuye umwana ruzuye she's pretty everybody like from the face to bottom the size is there the what is there the face is there everywhere oh what a beautiful girl you think yeah I told you
which beautiful
yeah I told you
thank you
Look, listen, when you see Dumba talking to you, just consider yourself beautiful. You just still know. Yeah, I don't talk to ugly girls. Everybody knows me. You also know me.
Okay, I know you. You my ride and die.
So one of the reason I'm talking to you is because you have that beauty in you. Now everybody na kujie koda. I even I will tell you ni cyiza naduhe show mukore follow kuri Sharon Butere mukore follow kuri Sharon Butere tuzapfire hano Sharon Butere bakwanga gukora follow akaturogesha gwe katureke mukasha kabekire mu kwogera kiri Kampala
hako rero birabiri ni munda burizi Dumba fashe bariko ufashe abandi ho ngo hano musiramu bayamfatiyeho free ngo ndacyambara ubusa
musiramu ninde musiramu yani
assalamu alaikum
wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah
oroza gwa musiramu gatuyinaweka
mukasha koli mu bicholiva olinkai
mune sister wangu nabo mureka rose
sister w'umusiramu
Kati mukasha katina baganda bacha abasiramu simanyi lwaki tekisiramu gwe cyana gwe siramu
ati nari ngenda bikora singa Dumba yakiriza
singa Dumba yakiriza ko asa baby
mwenze sijja kumara nje ntabwo narongora abagore bose bo kwisi ngo bamare mve kuri nema nawe ngufate nkurongore ubwo se nje naba mfite imburi ingana gute
nawe beramu
mukashaka izuba rya Uganda ko rikumazemo
nawe biri kutukako bwavu webuje webucyusa omuntu
naye akabina kacyaliko
tekukyali naye ninga
gundi
nema bavude mugamba ina akabina totuboganira
adolowooza nzayina nange bwentyo
okiwulidde mbu nange ninga neema kiduula nyina
okiraba
si
kimukubalamba gwe gundi werabidde nkusinga obukulu
I know
moroza nkulimba mukwano kagwako
kagwako nekitegeeza nti olina kutunulanga nze
I know
lowooza bambe bagenda ne bandoga lowooza balabanga nkanyeenya nnyo ne bagamba kabagende
obubina bwammwe buba buggwerera temunnegeraageranyako nze nkimanyi akabina sirina
anti gwakako kalina kyonna
kasi temunnegeraageranyako lwaki nze example newankubadde ninakatono mukaleke
kyamukasha kakitara kina cyari gifite ikibuno kiva hano kikagira nk'iriya ako tinya amafaranga pari amafaranga tinya ko amafaranga ari mabi wallahi yatwaye ikibuno cya mukasha wallahi ubukene ntibubaho
bamukubaza ibendova
sigaye kuva yarakennye
dumba tegera kudamukogera kitu atigenda kwasama bwasami
bwabagande bendova Waganda bakakuba bend over ne bakamalako
bali akwet banaye nedda naye toleta mwana Hano mukasha kanelawo.
Ono mukasha avanga masaka n'amasakaramente abana bakuyihese kandi. Reka na internet iragiye.
Mukasha kabako kuba bend over.
Mukasha kagendera likajjemu abana mu kamera wano.
You know.
Kigende. Mukasha ka. Tokumya abo bana. Ate omwana si bwaba uwo mulete.
So oyo nduza wa muganda we.
Nayenga nema. Ngenda kugira wente nzije nkukyalireko. Wallahi omuyima wonzita. Just kumpanga sister. Like you're going to give me on behalf of being your sister.
Ngenda kuwanga sister. Wabaddo negana.
You know when you start this boyfriend, smanya girlfriend, which sometimes you can even your girlfriend can say no sometimes, you know that. But when you're my sister, you will be like my brother.